Good morning. It's Friday, August 9th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear across the state of Georgia. A couple of light showers trying to move into Eccles County, but we'll see some more showers and thunderstorms through the day today, especially this afternoon and this evening. But the bulk of the rain associated with what was Tropical Storm Debbie, now Tropical Depression Debbie, is tracking off well to the northeast and is not coming back. So all the heavy rain will still be in parts of South Carolina and North Carolina. The center of the storm is now over Charlotte, North Carolina, continuing to move fairly quickly now to the northeast. As we take a look at our temperatures across the state, we're starting out warm and humid, mid-70s in North Georgia, some upper 70s around metro Atlanta, upper 70s, low 80s in parts of southeast Georgia. And taking a look at the dew point, that's our magic number to see just how humid it is. Very, very humid, especially in South Georgia. So when you get into the 70s, that's extremely uncomfortable. You get to the upper 70s and showing 82 for the dew point in Brunswick, that is very, very dangerously high humidity, and that's why we have a heat advisory in effect. All of South Georgia, good part of Middle Georgia, parts of Northeast Georgia as well, with those heat index values getting up close to 112 in some parts of South Georgia today. And in addition to that heat advisory, Southeast Georgia with the flood warning, and then Bullitt County in the red, that is a flash flood warning, and that's going to probably be renewed again. That goes until 11:45, but we're probably going to see that time added to with more updates throughout the day today. So the most severe flooding across the state of Georgia occurred around Statesboro, up into Screven County, down into Evans County as well, and they are just trying to dry out. Hopefully that'll happen. We'll keep those scattered showers away as we move through the day today, but it's still very possible. So let's take a look at the modeling through the morning hours. Again, fairly quiet. We see the bulk of the rain from Tropical Depression Debbie moving up to the northeast, heading into North Carolina. As for us, not a whole lot going on. Maybe a couple of thunderstorms popping up in South Georgia by about 2 this afternoon. Then they become a little more numerous by 4, 5 o'clock, and we see those thunderstorms breaking out, mainly in South Georgia, but anywhere across the state. We have plenty of humidity, and as we boil that water, as we say, those little bubbles are going to pop up somewhere, and that's exactly how these storms operate here in the heat of the summer. And then heading into the late night hours tonight, still some thunderstorms around, stretching through the state of Georgia. Overnight tonight, we'll get fairly quiet. We start out tomorrow morning warm and muggy with some patchy fog, and then the same deal through the day, fairly quiet. Through the morning hours, we head into the early afternoon hours, and those thunderstorms begin to pop up once again. So just a slight chance of seeing a thunderstorm if you're taking the state as the whole, but some of us will see these storms. And again, some could produce some heavy rainfall, and a few could go strong to severe, and we'll just see those scattered storms through tomorrow evening as well. And Sunday looks about the same. Going to be hot and humid through the weekend, and we start out next week with scattered showers and thunderstorms as well, with our temperatures across the state mainly in the 90s. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.